In this video, I'll show you how to write better Veo AI prompts in 2026. The key to a good AI video prompt is giving the model enough information to understand the scene. Start with the main subject. Tell Veo exactly what you want to see. Next, describe the action. Explain what the subject is doing and how the scene should develop. Then describe the environment. Mention the location, background, weather, time of day, and important objects. You can also include camera instructions. For example, specify a close-up, wide shot, tracking shot, slow camera movement, or aerial perspective when appropriate. Lighting and visual style are also useful. You can describe soft morning light, dramatic shadows, realistic documentary visuals, or a cinematic look. A strong prompt might describe a young explorer walking through a misty forest at sunrise, with the camera slowly tracking behind them and soft golden light passing through the trees.
It went
Avoid making your
boing!
prompt unnecessarily confusing or contradictory. After generating the video, examine the result and identify what needs improvement. Then modify your prompt and generate another version. With practice, you'll learn which details produce the most consistent results, and that's how to write effective Veo AI prompts in 2026.